Hello, good people. Welcome to my channel. Please, if it's your first time to meet my videos on TikTok, please don't hesitate to subscribe. Also, you can even follow and like my videos. You can just comment the topic. If you are facing difficulties in mathematics, you just have to mention a topic. Then I'll assist you a concept by concept. All right. You can also visit my um, YouTube um, channel, and also don't forget to subscribe so that you always enjoy more videos. Right, so we are given this question based on psychogeometry. Remember, I said before, psychogeometry is part of something which is dealing with circles. All right, so we are given such a circle. Remember, a circle consists of this one is what you call circumference. Right around the circle is what you call the circumference. There are also some properties or the theorems which allow you to work out implementation of those concepts. All right, we have the center already. Then we have some codes, different codes, and also right. So from this given diagram, we are given in the diagram A, B, C, D. We are given that A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. All right. Remember, a cyclic quadrilateral meaning to say it's just a shape with four sides which touches the um, circumference of a circle with the center O. All right. Whenever given a sender, remember there are also some theorems which allow you to apply for you to come up with the best solution ever. Right? So AB is produced to meet M. We have AB is produced to meet M. We are given that MBC 70 degrees and BDC is 40 degrees. We are also given that find BCD. We want to find these angles BCD and also this angle ABD. This angle is ABC, ABD, AB, also D. And the other angle here we have is ADO. We also have AGO. All right. So we want to explain a concept by concept. So, like I said before, whenever a question we are given a question based on geometry, for you to make it easier, you have to complete the diagram first. Then you just pick your answers randomly to fill the space provided to answer these questions. All right. So what you have to do here is you have to find the angle which is easy for you to start with. As for me, I can come up with this angle at C. Remember, I can come up with this angle at C. How can I find this angle? I have to say, remember, I have BD, BD, which is known as the diameter with the center O. So from this diameter, there is a theorem which said that the angle in a circle is a right angle. The angle in the same circle is right angle. Or we can just say the intersection of two chords in a diameter. We have this diameter and two chords. That intersection, we form a right angle here. Remember, a right angle is always known by each angle known as 90 degrees. Right, so I might come up with 90 degrees right here. From there, from that 90, remember I also have the theorem which said that the opposite angles of circle quad are supplementary. If I add this angle and this angle, the angle at C and at A, they should add up to 180. They are supplementary. All right. So I also have 90 here. Because if I add this 180 minus 90, I get 90. Because those two angles, if you add them, they add up to 180, meaning they are supplementary. So this question was such a simple question, right? So for me, I will come up with the 40 degrees here, 90 degrees here. Let me just complete this triangle, which is A, which is B, C, D. So remember, a triangle is always add up to 180. So now I have 90 here, 40 here. So I want to find this angle. So the sum of this from 180. So if I say 90 plus 40, I get 130. 180 minus 130, I get 50 degrees right here. 50 degrees. So from that 50 degrees I got here, right, there is a line which is A, B, C. Remember, it's a Z line. A, B, C is a Z line. So the sum of all these angles which lies on the straight line, they add up to 180. So if I say 70 plus 50 plus this angle which is unknown here, which to get 180. But right now I have 70 here, I have 50 here. So I can just took 30 from this 50 and put it here to make it 100. So it becomes 120. So the sum of 70 plus 50, I get 120. 180 minus 120, I now get 60 degrees right here. So I have 60 here. So from this one is a triangle ABD. So the sum of this angle at A, B, and also at D, they add up to 180. So if I say 90 plus 60, 90 plus 60, I take 10 here from this, it becomes 150. So from that 150, 180 minus 150, I get 30 right here. Right. So from there, I managed to complete all the positions. So let me just fill the space provided by just writing the answers as well. Right. So from this, the first angle we want to find here is BCD. Where is B? Right. B is right here. Then C is right here. D is right here. Then the angle which is formed at C. Remember, C is always shown by this. This sign representing that the angle is always at C. So we have 90 degrees right here. 90 degrees. Right. So part item 2, ABD. Want to find the angle A, then B, then also D. All right. A, B, D. The angle at B is 60 degrees. Then the last one is ADO. We have our ways A, D, O. The angle from this 30 degrees. Right. So I think it's for you to make these questions on circle geometry, just make them easier. Easier. You have to understand the theorems first. Once you manage to understand, you have to read the theorems. Once you read, you have to understand them. Once you manage to understand the theorems, basically you have to learn how to apply. That's because applicability is more important than only knowing them. So you have to know them and also be able to apply them. How to apply them? For you to master circle geometry, you have to practice more questions. Once you master the theorems, you apply again and again. So meaning to say, mathematically, practice makes a man perfect. So you have to practice more questions so that you catch up, and also you don't even forget the theorems based on this topic known as circle geometry. So I think let me end here. You have to enjoy the video. Please, I know you managed to reach this platform. Please, you have to follow my TikTok platform. You can also visit my YouTube. You can just copy the link on my bio or type search adolescents on my YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. You can also visit my Facebook. You can enjoy more videos throughout this platform. All right.